Hello, class. My name is Dr. Chanel Liu, and I'm going to be your instructor for CIS 112 for Term 5. Welcome, everybody. As you can see, I am in Blackboard, and we're going to be doing a lot of our assignments throughout Blackboard. And I want to help you navigate through Blackboard as we are going to be completing and going through Unit 1 together. All right. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are in announcements. And announcements is where I will be really sharing a lot of information for the entire class. And so you could go to announcements and see all of the information that I have posted throughout the week. Okay. And I would normally post videos such as this, a tutorial video to help you navigate through each unit. All right. And then you also have Meet Your Instructor. And I really want you to spend a little bit of time on Meet Your Instructor because a lot of your quiz information is going to ask you about what is on Meet Your Instructor as well as the contact. Okay. So this, you can find my information as well as my contact information and things of that sort. All right. So as we go into Unit 1, I want us to really focus on what we are going to be doing throughout the week. And you'll be able to know that a lot of the activities are right here, which is the items that you need to complete. So you can always, write these down in a notepad like this, and then you can, check the box as you go to make sure that you've completed all of the activities. Or you can very well go to a lot of the information here. And let me get out of that because you're not going to be able to see it right now. So if you go into Unit 1, you'll be able to see all of the information for the unit, the activities, and all of the assignments that you need to complete throughout the week. So the first thing that you have is an introduction to computers, which is only 4 minutes and 30 seconds long. You can review the history of computers and the internet. And then at that point, you could go into any of the reading and resources that will help you understand the unit. All right. Then at that point, you have a really nice introduction of who are you? Tell us about yourself, tell us about the program of study, and tell us how you feel about computers, and really share some information about that. All right. Then there's a computer use form. Please fill out this form because a lot of our faculty use this information to understand how many of us are using desktops versus tablets versus mobile phones. And it actually helps us be able to provide lessons for you all. All right. Then you also have another discussion post, which is the technology in our daily life, where you're really going to just be talking about how do you feel about self-driving cars? Do you find it to be positive or negative? And really share your information about that and your feelings towards that. And then you also have, and please do not get overwhelmed. There's a lot of, assignments in this Unit 1, but I can promise you it gets a lot easier as we go through the term. Then we also have identify unit computer components. And this is just a really fun, interactive, engaging activity for us to identify certain components of the computer. Don't feel afraid, don't feel alarmed. And then lastly, we have just two really quick quizzes just to make sure that you were understanding how to navigate through Unit 1 and some of the information that you learn along the way. I can promise you again, it gets a lot easier and it gets a lot simpler, but we want to make sure in Unit 1, you're able to navigate through the system successfully and we are able to understand and familiarize ourselves with each other and for you to get familiar with your peers as well as me, okay? By all means, if you have any questions, always return back to Meet Your Instructor. There you will find all of my contact information, my email address, as well as my phone number, as well as my office hours. You don't necessarily have to stay towards the office hours, but you can email me or contact me at any time. All right. Let's have a great week. Welcome again. Take care. Bye.